Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the level open. Enable cameras in the editor settings and choose Follow Player. First, place a camera trigger at the beginning of the section you want to control, assign an ID and a clear target position. Then adjust length so the camera affects only that segment. Once done, set camera speed and smoothness to control motion. Lower values are smoother, higher values snap. Playtest immediately to confirm basic behavior and iterate quickly until the initial movement feels right. Now you chain cameras. Use multiple camera triggers sharing the same ID to create continuous pans and cuts. You should combine camera triggers with tween objects to guide easing and with shake or zoom modifiers for cinematic hits. Make sure to align trigger lengths with moving platforms or object timelines so the camera stays focused on intended targets. Also use follow modifiers carefully to keep the player framed. Test at checkpoints to verify transitions, remain smooth, and avoid sudden jumps during gameplay. Finish by refining offsets, framing, and edge limits so no important geometry is clipped during movement. You should test in 16:9 and other aspect previews, and add invisible blockers if the view exposes unwanted areas. Once satisfied, lock unused camera triggers and run full-level playtests from start to finish to catch timing issues. If you encounter jitter or snapping, reduce camera speed or increase smoothness. Retest at failing checkpoints to confirm the fix and iterate until transitions are seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.